Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome to the Custom Adventurous. Alright, so today I've got the latest and greatest from the clone world. These are the AirPod Pro clones from Knockpods.com. They claim to be identical clones to the AirPods Pro, but we will see about that. Okay, so I'll be using the CA scoring method 2.0 to compare these two. Also, I will be resuming my giveaways very soon because things are opening up where I live and this will allow me to ship out the items of the giveaway. So be sure to get subscribed and be sure to enter into the giveaway down in the description. Alright, getting right into the packaging of the two. They both come in little white boxes with the image of the headphones on the front. On the sides for the AirPods Pro, they have their name and the Apple logo, where on the clones they just have blank sides. On the back, they both have images of the headphones in the case. The text in the bottom left corner seems to be a different font. It also doesn't say Apple with the Apple address in the bottom right corner either. Opening the two at the same time, you get an insert for both of them. The AirPods Pro insert says designed by Apple in California, where the clone one has nothing on it. Removing that insert, you get both the headphones in the case. Removing those, you get two pairs of extra ear tips for both, and a charging cable. One detail to notice is the originals come with a USB Type-C to Lightning charging cable, and the clones also do replicate this detail and include their own. Now for the design of the case. Looking at the two side by side, they seem to have the exact same dimensions. Same exact length, width, and height wise. The LED in the front is also placed in the exact same spot, but the LED on the clone doesn't have the little flush diffuser like the original. The little indent that goes in between the lid is the same depth and shape. They both use Lightning charging cable to charge. They have the same little ring around the charging port. I will say that the ring around the original fits a bit more seamless, but it's very minor. They both say designed by Apple in California on the back. They both have the exact same hinge piece, but I will say the fitment on the original is a bit more perfect than the clone. The buttons are in the exact same spot, but the clone is slightly more recessed into the case than the original. The lids are pretty much the same, but the clone's isn't quite as satisfying as the original, but they are very close. The clones do also have the FC labels on the underside of the lid like the AirPods Pro. Now for the design of the earbuds. Okay, looking at the two side by side, it is very difficult to tell which is which. The overall shape is identical, the ear tips are the same. There are very few details that are able to point out that they are clones. The bottom metal of the AirPods is slightly less polished on the clone than the original. The seams that connect the metal to the plastic aren't as good as the original. The side indicator is slightly darker on the clone. The outside grille on the clones is slightly recessed where the original is completely smooth. The inner sensor is identical. The ear tips are removed in the same manner with the fancy proprietary Apple way of installing ear tips. The text underneath the earbud is slightly more pronounced on the clone. On the side of the stem, there's a squeeze pad for the original. There's also a squeeze pad on the side of the stem on the clone, but it doesn't have the haptic feedback like the original. Now for the price of the two. The AirPods Pro come in at $250 US. The clones from Knockpods.com go for $94.99. But with my coupon code, you can get 10% off your purchase. Now for the audio quality. After listening to the two side by side for the last week, I'd say this is my conclusion. The AirPods Pro definitely sound a bit better, but they sound pretty similar. The AirPods Pro definitely are a step up in quality. They just seem to have higher quality bass and the vocals are a little bit clearer, but these clones actually sound pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, they sound pretty good. Alright, so I got Luke here and he's gonna be testing the two headphones and he's gonna be telling his opinion on how they sound.
Alright,
good luck.
let's get into it.
Start with the AirPod Pros first.
Okay.
And go with the clones next.
Alright. It's right here. AirPod Pros, real.
You can listen to that for a second.
Okay, let's give it a go. Alright, pretty good, as expected, you know. Now these, they boot right into it too, which is nice.
These are the clones?
Yeah, clones right here. Really like no difference, it'll focus. There, terrific. Alright, we'll get into the same song. Alright, it's a good idea of them. Alright, so my thoughts on these. Now these are the real AirPods here. The quality, like opening them, feels a little better. But these, the clones, are still good. Still feels nice, and the earbuds sound very similar. They're both really good. I would say the real AirPod Pros are a little bit better, but the clones are still, I mean, they're right up there. And then for the price at $90, that's pretty cheap compared to like $250. So overall, they're both good. If you're going on a budget, great. If you want to spend a little more money, you can get the real AirPods, but overall they're both good. It's my thoughts.
Now for the battery life. The AirPods can get around 5 hours of audio playback with an additional 24 hours with the case, where the clones can get around 3 to 4 hours of audio playback with an additional 24 hours with the case. Now for the connectivity of the two. Alright, so now we'll be testing the pairing and the connectivity speeds between the two earbuds. Also, I'd like to say, this is the Phone Rebel case that Everything Apple Pro designed, and it is a really good case. It like fits extremely well in your hand, and it's really protective, and I just really like this case a lot. This is not a paid promotion. I don't know why he would pay me to promote his own product, but I just really like this product, and if you're looking for a good case, I'd recommend this definitely for sure. Also, another thing I'd like to say, Everything Apple Pro right there. There I am right there in the search results. I'm up there with the big dogs. You know, if you want great clone content, be sure to get subscribed. Alright, we're going to start with the AirPods Pro. Open the case. Press connect. Hold the button down. And you are paired. Now for the Knockpods AirPods Pro Clone. Open up the case. Press connect. Hold the button down. And you're paired. Now we're going to check the connectivity speeds between the two. Open up the case. Alright, that was pretty quick. Now for the clone. Jeez, that was fast. Now for the mic quality. Alright, so in my ears right now are the AirPods Pro Clone from Knockpods.com, and this is my quality you can expect from them. Testing, 1, 2, 3. I hope you can hear my voice loud and clear, and that you can just like be able to decipher what I'm saying. And this is what it'll sound like if you're on like a phone call. It's in a normal quiet place, but I'll also be including the stadium crowd effect, so you can see how it would do in areas that are really loud. So we'll start that. Alright, so now we have the crowd effect noise in the background. And this is my quality inspection. Then testing. 1, 2, 3. Hope you can still hear my voice through all of this ruckus. Although it's not very likely, but hopefully you still can hear my voice. Alright, so in my ears right now are the AirPods Pro, and this is my quality you can expect from them. Testing. 1, 2, 3. I hope they sound pretty good. They should be a step up from the previous generation, and yeah, I will also be including the background noise, and we're gonna see how they do with that. Ready, get set, go. Alright, now we have background noise of a stadium, and hopefully it sounds pretty good still, and you can just hear me talking, and yeah, so testing. 1, 2, 3. Turn the volume up even more, as high as it can go, and yeah, let's go. Now for the features and cool things. They both connect automatically. They both charge via lightning cable. They both have wireless charging. They both have little LED indicators on them to help determine the battery life and the pairing. They both have reverse magnetic lids, so they seal really nicely. And they also do have earbuds. The earbuds stay down via magnets, and they both have software integration. Now let's go over some of the software, the cool software things that come with these headphones. So first we're going to start with the AirPods Pro. You go into the I tab on the AirPods Pro, and you can change the name. You can change between noise cancellation and transparency. You can adjust some of the touch functions, ear tip fit test, automatic ear detection, microphone, and you got your other stuff. It also does locate on Find My, and it does have accurate battery levels. The clones have the same thing where you can click the I tab, you can change the name, you can switch between noise cancellation and transparency. You can do the same touch functions, ear tip fit test, automatic ear detection, microphone. And they also do have the same Find My stuff. One thing I will say is the transparency and the ambient mode is not quite as good as the originals. The noise cancellation, I believe it's just passive noise cancellation. And the transparency, it's just, the microphones aren't quite as good on the clones as the original, so the audio coming through isn't as crisp and clear as the original, and it has a slight delay. I'd compare it to the Galaxy Buds, the original Galaxy Buds ambient mode, which it's okay, but it's not quite as good. But I mean, it is ambient mode, so technically it does have the same features. Those are all the features. Now for my personal opinion. Alright, so after using these two side by side for the last week, I'd say this is my personal opinion. The AirPods Pro definitely are better quality than these clones, but these clones are still pretty good. They sound good, they seem to connect pretty good, and they have pretty much all the same features except for the noise cancellation and the ambient mode. Those are kind of just like, they're not exactly great replicas, but pretty much everything else is pretty much exactly on par with the AirPods Pro. And I'd say that they are pretty decent value if you're looking for a good clone of the AirPods Pro. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you'd like to check out these clones, the links will be in the description. And also be sure to enter into my giveaway. Make sure to like, subscribe, and peace.